Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. My today's video is very creative and it contains a very beautiful but very easy to make hand embroidery patterns, hand embroidery designs, absolutely favorable for beginners, the ones who are new to hand embroidery world, hand embroidery art, and they are in search of very easy and simple and basic hand embroidery stitches based very beautiful patterns. Then this video collection is absolutely for you. You are at a very right and a beautiful pattern. And the ones who do not know the art of hand embroidery but they are still crazy to search for or to like or to have a collection of handmade hand embroidered stuff in their collection, then this absolute favorable design ideas are for them. Friends, these hand embroidery flower designs are absolutely favorable for making any sort of any sort of dressing designing or hoop art, wall art, decoration, pieces of art for gifting to your loved ones as well. Like you can design these very beautiful as side necklines, as an all over embroidery kurti, dress, shirt. You can also embroider these very beautiful patterns onto your handkerchiefs, table mats, face masks, and fashionable accessories like on your bags, handbags, purse, clutch, grocery bag, laptops, bag, office bags, and many more different type of creative styling ideas. Like you can embroider these pattern onto your handmade hand knitted stuffs like hats, onto your embroidered patterns for a very creative look onto your jeans, onto your denim fabric like denim jeans, like denim jackets, and many more stuff like denim shirts. Even you can embroider these patterns onto your t-shirts, sweatshirts, and many more creative designing ideas with respect to dress designing and fashion designing. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe.